Welcome back to our OBCD platform tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how to use some of the apps on the OBCD platform. Without describing them all, we will focus on the main ones and on understanding how to use them collaboratively. As you know from the previous tutorial, once you log into your profile, you arrive to the dashboard page. In the navigation bar at the top right, you can see a series of plugins connected to different applications, deploying Nextcloud software. Let's start with the File application. File is the main application that allows you to create various resources, from folders to content. Through File, you can access already uploaded content or create new ones. By clicking, you can see all the content that can be created, including the whiteboard, which is a file for collaboration. To create a new folder, simply click, select New Folder, name the folder, for example Test Tutorials, and click on Create. Folders can be shared. If you want to share the folder with another user, just click on the icon on the side, select the user with whom you want to share the folder, for example admin, and choose the sharing mode, either view only or editing, and save. The same logic applies to individual files that we want to create and share. Once documents are shared, other users will be able to view them in their profile, much like shared drive. Inside the folder, you can create a new document by clicking on New, then New Document. Rename the document as, for example, Test Tutorial, and at this point, a screen will open with various templates or a simple blank page. After creating the document, you can click on the top left to save, and finally click on the icon on the right to close the document and exit. The sharing option works not only for documents and file apps, but also for all others applications. Let's look at Collective, for example. Collective is a collaboration application through which you can develop a project collectively. On the left sidebar, you can view the work groups for each project. If you want to create a new work group, just click on New Collective. Add members, assign roles to different members, and at this point, you're ready to start. Collective allows us to create a landing page, add multiple subpages, photos, videos, etc., and describe the project. At the bottom of the page, you'll always find more tips on how to make the best use of the application. As we have seen, sharing is a fundamental platform functionality. Whether it's a document, a file, a collective, or a calendar, the logic remains the same. Let's look at the Deck app, which is used to create work boards for project management. To create a new board, use the function on the left column and name the new board. For example, let's create a new board called Test Tutorial. From here, by clicking on the three dots on the right, you can access various functions, such as edit board to modify it. Let's imagine, for instance, that we're sharing the folder with admin and we want to give admin the role of editor. Now I can save and close, and my board will be shared with admin, who can edit the contents. The board works as a classic project management tool. For example, through the board, you can create a to-do list and add a series of tasks to be completed. With the same function seen before, you can also create multiple columns, like a done column to list completed tasks. Finally, you can move cards from one column to another and always visualize the work in progress. That's all for today. As you have seen, each app has different features, but follows the same sharing logic. Now that you've learned the basics and understood how to use the collaboration function, all that's left is to give it a try. Thank you for your attention.